Don't miss these top money and investing features. Remember this important stock market lesson. Oversold does not mean by Warren Buffett's advice for a volatile market. Patience pays. Whenever the Dow and the S&P 500 fall below this key support level, stocks typically come roaring back. Stay in the know. Sign up here to get MarketWatch's best mutual funds and ETF stories emailed to you weekly. Investing news trends. Here are the odds you'll outlive your money. There's good news and bad news. Read more. Value stocks tend to beat growth stocks when inflation accelerates, but the usual explanation is completely flawed, challenging conventional wisdom on value versus growth, inflation and interest rate. Read more. Stock investors know not to fight the Fed, but you can fight the Fed model. If rising interest rates are the reason you've turned bearish, you may want to reconsider. Read more. Remember this important stock market lesson. Oversold does not mean by the S&P 500 chart is extremely bearish right now. Read more. 8 tech stocks poised to bounce after Nasdaq plunge, according to AI platform shares of Nvidia Corp. Top a list of tech shares that would be expected to bounce back strongly over the next month, according to an artificial intelligence screening platform. Read more. 24 software stocks, including Microsoft, expected to rise by double digits over the next year. The software sector has suffered a sharp pullback this year in the stock market. For the expected rebound, the most rapid sales growers may fit the bill. Read more. It's safe to dip your toes in the stock market. Here are 3 companies to consider, including one disruptor. Sentiment is too dark, given that the economy is in fine shape. Read more. Inflation will hurt both stocks and bonds, so you need to rethink how you'll hedge risks. A 60-40 portfolio will bring massive losses, so it's time to invest in something other than bonds to provide some safety and income, writes Nouriel Roubini. Read more. What's old is new again. The dogs of the Dow are outperforming the stock market. The Dow Dogs now have some bite. Read more. Restaurant stocks are on the menu for investors as the pandemic's end nears. Favor reopening plays including Brinker and Chipotle. Read more. Warren Buffett is teaching meme stock players and crypto traders some hard lessons about why market fundamentals still apply for the sage of Omaha and other traditional value investors. It isn't different this time, or ever. Read more. Warren Buffett's advice for a volatile market. Patience pays. There are 2 participants in each and every transaction, a seller and a buyer. Read more. Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway plans to hold in-person annual meeting on April 30th. After 2 years of virtual get-togethers due to the COVID-19 pandemic, Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway will hold an in-person annual meeting at the end of April. Read more. Miami Hedge Fund Week offers a financial vibe check on 2022 and beyond. That's a cute long-short strategy you got there, but where are you on NFTs? Read more. You can still find a haven in tech stocks. These 20 offer the safety net of highly stable profits. Investors are running away from risky stocks of companies that aren't yet profitable, including some high flyers. Read more. Whenever the Dow and the S&P 500 fall below this key support level, stocks typically come roaring back. The U.S. market breached its 200-day moving average last week and, true to form, reversed course and staged a snapback rally. Read more.